Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil and your highlighter. Please take them out now. Our first word is at. 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 With your pencil, please write the word at. 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 With our highlighter, we are going to highlight the vowel. Our vowel is A. Short A says A. Our next word is bat. B, A, T, bat. With your pencil, please write the word bat. B, A, T, bat. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. A. Our next word is cat. K, A, T, cat. With your pencil, please write the word cat. K, A, T, cat. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel A. Our next word is hat. A, T, hat. With your pencil, please write the word hat. A, T, hat. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel A. Short A says A. Our next word is pal. P, A, L, pal. A pal is like a friend. With your pencil, please write pal. P, A, L, pal. Now with your highlighter, please highlight the vowel A. Our next word is bag. B, A, G, bag. Please write the word bag with your pencil. B, A, G, bag. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel A. Short A says A. Our next word is cap. K, A, P, cap. With your pencil, please write the word cap. K, A, P, cap. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. Our next word is had. H, A, D, had. Please write the word had using your pencil. H, A, D, had. Please highlight A. Our next word is nab. N, A, B, nab. With your pencil, please write nab. N, A, B, nab. Using your highlighter, please highlight the vowel A. Our next word is tag. T-A-G. Tag. With your pencil, please write tag. T-A-G. Tag. With your highlighter, please highlight short A. Good work, boys and girls. Flip your page over. All right, my friends. You also need your highlighter on this side. We are going to find and write all the short A words. Short A words. So we will be looking for words that have a short A. Short A says ah. So I'm going to be searching and highlighting any words that I can see that have an A in them. So right here above the castle, I'm going to highlight my first word. The word is ram. Ram. Then I'm going to write ram in number 1. Ram. Then I'm going to find and highlight another word that has a short A. Right over here by the castle, I see the word dam. D-A-M. Dam. D-A-M. Dam. Back on the hunt for another short A word. I see one right here, right by the castle. The word is pat. P-A-T. Pat. With your pencil, please write the word pat on number 3. P-A-T. Pat. I'm now searching for another word that has the short A. Right here on the castle, I see the word ban. B-A-N. Ban. Please write ban. B-A-N. Ban. Number 5. Searching for another word that has a short A. Right here at the bottom. The word is had. H-A-D. Had. Please write the word had. H-A-D. Had. Searching for another word that has a short A sound. Right here next to the castle, the word is wrap. R-A-P. Wrap. Please write the word wrap. R-A-P. Wrap. Searching, 3 more to go. Oh, up here in the cloud. Lab. O-A-B. Lab. Please write the word lab. O-A-B. Lab. Searching again. Oh, right here by the prints, I see the word tap. T-A-P. Tap. Number 8. Please write tap. T-A-P. Tap. And our last word, oh, again by the prints. The word is nag. N-A-G. Nag. Please write nag with your pencil. N-A-G. nag. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.